Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Voicethread. Voicethread is a powerful tool for creating multimodal presentations with interactive commentary using the Voicethread platform. So we're going to start off by going to Voicethread. You can do a simple Google search for Voicethread, or you can go up into the search bar and type www.voicethread.com and you can press enter. Once you are on the Voicethread page, you have to join. I'm already a member of Voicethread, so I am logging out and just showing you how you can go ahead and say create an account. And if you say create an account, it gives you the option to register using Voicethread. Short of that, you can go back again and you can say sign in with Google or any one of the other options below. I'm clicking sign in with Google and I get to choose my email address. Once I choose my email address, it says continue, and then you must click this option to go to your Google Drive, because whatever it is you create will automatically go there in a folder that they create on Google Drive for you, and then you click continue. Once you click continue, you have entered into your Voicethread account. So once you have joined your Voicethread, you get access to the interface and you can begin creating your Voicethread. To create a Voicethread, the first thing you do is go to the plus sign. Now, in your own time, you can peruse the tutorials that they have available for you, as well as if you look at any of these buttons, you can go through on your own. But I am just going to show you how to create a simple Voicethread. So you can click on the plus sign. And once you click on the plus sign, it will open up a new area where you can select what you would like to do. So you have the choice of adding from a device, and you can utilize previously created files. So in this tutorial, I am going to utilize a PowerPoint that I previously created, and I wanted to add some sort of voice to it to explain what was going on in the tutorial. Or you can record a video right off the bat. You can also select a picture, or you can pull from an external source. For this tutorial, I am going to use add from a device, which allows me to create a PowerPoint that is voice enabled. So I'm uploading my PowerPoint. Once I have uploaded my PowerPoint, the next step would be to add my voice to the PowerPoint. So I have a couple slides in here. It is taking a little while, but as soon as it's uploaded, we will move on to the next step. While we wait for the slides to upload, once you have your slides in your area, you can click open the Voicethread. Once you've done the recording and you want to hear how it sounds, you can click open the Voicethread. You can click share, and in particular, if this is one of the tools that you may utilize for your final assignment, if you click share, then that means you're allowed to share it with somebody and you can give access to them. So this is what I meant by telling the class, make sure that when you create your artifact that you are able to share it with me so that I can view it. So our slides have been loaded. So once your slides have been loaded, you can click on any one of them, or you can say select all and click on the slide. I just clicked on the first one because I wanted you to see it without all of the slides on the page. Now, in order to activate the slide and to hear our voice, you click on the comment tool, and it's the bottom left hand side. It's a call out with a plus sign, and you click on it. Once you click on it, you have various options. Again, you could do text, you could do recording, you could do video recording. I am going to just do a basic recording. So I'm going to click on recording, and it gives me a countdown, and then I can begin narrating whatever it is I want from my Voicethread. I can talk how long I want, and once I have completed talking on this particular slide, I can click on the second slide and it will continue speaking on the second slide. I can click on the third slide, it will continue allowing me to talk on the third slide, and then I can continue on until I have completed the entire presentation. Once I have completed the entire presentation, I click stop recording. Once I click stop, so there you have it. You saw that you heard my voice being recorded, and I clicked save, and it saved my recording of my voice. Now the plus to this is that I can click here and have the actual voice recording only. So if I wanted to save this voice recording only, I could save that separately, as opposed to if I was in a PowerPoint and I did a narration, it has the two of them together, right? So here it allows me to save separately, and that is one of the plus of using a Voicethread. So I have recorded my Voicethread, and I am finished, and now I am going back to my original screen. And again, if I wanted to, I could have made edits. If I wanted, I can add. If let's say I wanted to add something at the end, I can add. I can add again from my device. I can add a picture if I want, or even while I was doing the recording, if I wanted to insert a slide, an extra slide, I could have done that as well. So this is a basic overview on how to use the Voicethread, and I hope that it gives you a kickstart so that you could continue exploring, because Voicethread supports asynchronous participation, making it ideal for online and blended learning. So students could be invited to comment on others' presentations. You could edit, you could delete, you could reorder the slides, you could work as a group, and that kind of thing using this particular tool. So I hope you enjoy using Voicethread. See you in the next tutorial.